Okay, our brother is asking that how do you go about the issue of catalytic converter efficiency signal too high. Now, if you're having this message, it means that you probably have one of these codes on your machine. This for bank 1 and this for bank 2. Now, if the ECU tells you that you're having a signal high, it means that the ECU has detected abnormal signals from the downstream oxygen sensor. Now, like I told you, the downstream oxygen sensor has a gentle voltage pulse because it is smoothened and the oxygen going out is very little. That is for an efficient catalytic converter. But if it's telling you signal high, it means that it is detecting very high signals of the voltage pulse at this point. What does that mean? It means that either the catalytic converter is bad, or you're having leakages at this point that make the sensor think that there is too much oxygen or something else. Now, if you want to solve this issue, first of all, go and analyze fuel trims. Go and analyze the short-term fuel trim and long-term fuel trim and come to a conclusion. Now, a short-term fuel trim, the good range is between positive or -5, and long-term fuel trim, the good range is positive or -10. Now, fuel trims are basically this is how the ECU maintains the air-fuel ratio, which is 14.7 to 1 grams of air to fuel. So if the ECU has to maintain this ratio, it is going to do what we call trimming. And short-term fuel trim is that continuous adjustment, and the long-term fuel trim is the average of that small short-term fuel trim. So if you're having a very high fuel trim, let's say you're having a positive 20, this means that you're having positive, it means the ECU is adding fuel. So that means you're having a lean condition. You're having too much air in the engine. So look out causes of having too much air at the engine. Is your MAP sense okay? Is your MAP sense okay? Is the throttle body okay? Because if you have too much air in the engine, this air is going to come to the exhaust, and high accumulation of oxygen at this point is and at high temperatures is going to cause burning in the catalytic converter, and the catalytic converter will go bad. So basically, the ECU will throw codes like this. Another issue is if you're having a high reach value like -20, this means that the engine has a lot of fuel and the ECU is trying to reduce. So having a lot of fuel in the engine means that you're going to have many amounts of unburnt fuel particles in the catalytic converter. Now, that if you have many unburnt fuel in the catalytic converter and at high temperatures, the converter will burn and get damaged, and the ECU will throw these codes here. So before you replace the converter, first analyze what is causing issues. If you're having a very good fuel trim, let's say you have a -3, you're having a slight adjustment, this one is a good trim. It means that it is another issue. Probably the converter is already dead. Maybe the catalysts like rhodium, palladium expired, exhaust, and so on. So that's why the downstream sensor is picking these signals. But before you come to conclusion, go back and analyze the fuel trims of the engine so that you can basically come to a final conclusion.